Did you see today's daily deal? It's another great one.
I did, but I've already shopped twice this week and I don't want to pay for shipping again.
Wait, have I not told you girls about the bundle? With the Missouri Star Bundle, you can shop every day for a week and only pay for shipping once. Hey, big bundle. Simply choose the bundle option and check out. Then for the next 7 days, you can add as many goodies as you want. Just be sure to check out each day to secure your orders. But wait, there's more.
Well, that's awesome. But what if I just want the daily deal?
Just bundle it.
Wow.
What if I want a whole bolt of fabric?
Just bundle it.
Oh, this is nice.
You can bundle anything. Oh, one of those, and one of those, one of those, and one of those. Oh, bundle it all. You can bundle it all. Since you're now part of the bundle, there are over 9 bonus deals curated especially for you every day. The only thing you have to decide is, do you want to burn it? Ooh, or bundle it, of course. So head over to Missouri Star and start your bundle today.